Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Mastering Outlook 365 Expert. My name is Vicky Drua, and I've been training people to use Microsoft products for over 10 years. Microsoft Outlook is a powerful tool you can use to stay connected and get organized. And I'm excited to teach you how to use its features.
This course covers what is now referred to as Outlook Classic. A new version of Outlook is also available. It is more closely aligned to the web version. The majority of what is covered in this course applies to both the Classic and new Outlook.
This course is for users with an advanced understanding of Outlook's email, calendar, people, and task tools who want to manage their account using advanced features and customization options. We'll start with customizing Outlook using Backstage options. Then we'll look at multiple ways to customize your views in Outlook. We'll also look at changing your send and receive settings and how to manage multiple profiles and accounts. Next, we'll discuss how to use and manage Outlook add-ins, use built-in templates, and create your own templates. Then we'll look at ways to work with shared folders and permissions, advanced search and filter options, and ways to clean up and manage your mail folders. We'll also look at customizing your flags and follow-up options. In our last section, we'll look at ways to customize your calendar settings, how to import and export contacts, and ways to share your contacts. As you go through these topics, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. By the end of this course, my hope is that you'll be better able to manage your Outlook 365 accounts using customization features and advanced options.